A. This is called A. B. This is called B. C. This is called C. D. This is called D. E. This is called E. F. This is called F. G. This is called G. H. This is called H. I. This is called I. J. This is called J. K. This is called K. L. This is called L. M. This is called M. N. This is called N. O. This is called O. P. This is called P. Q. This is called Q. R. This is called R. S. This is called S. T. This is called T. U. This is called U. V. This is called V. W. This is called W. X. This is called X. Y. This is called Y. Z. This is called Z. प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि मेरी मज़ीद वीडियोज़ आपको मिल सकें।